Good morning, first grade. Happy second day of school. I hope you all had a good evening, and I hope that the first day went pretty smooth for you. I think we're figuring out a couple of things, and um, I'm sure things will get into a great routine in no time. But I hope your first day went well for you. I certainly really enjoyed getting to see everybody yesterday and get to see your work on Seesaw. So I'm ready and excited for day two. I hope you are too. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. And for today's activities, this morning, you are going to work on a self-portrait. And a self-portrait is a picture of a person, and a self-portrait is a picture of yourself that you draw yourself. So it's a self-portrait. And let me just grab that quickly and show you. In your supply box that we talked about yesterday, you should have seen there should be a paper in there in the front that says, "This is me on the first day of school. This is how I write my name." So for this morning's activity, you'll want to find this paper and use your pencil and write your first and last name as best you can in your best first grade printing in the box below. And then you'll draw a picture of yourself on the first day of school. Try to take up the whole space, draw, use pencils and crayons and really try to include as much detail as you can to show a self-portrait of yourself on the first day of, well, second day now, but your first day of first grade. So that will be your morning activity. We will again have our 10 a.m. live lesson, and I'm going to show you another app or another thing that we'll use on the iPad that will help us answer questions and work with one another this year. So we'll learn about that. I have another great story planned for you, so I'm excited to share that. That will be at our 10 a.m. lesson. And then at 1 p.m., we can go over the things that we did this morning and share some more me bags and spend some time getting to know one another and answer any questions that you may have about anything that's going on. So that's the plan for today. Everything, again, will continue to go through Seesaw. Thank you, grown-ups, for all of your help in all of this as well. And I look forward to another great day, and I can't wait to see everybody. And just reach out with any questions at all. Thank you. See you soon.